Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday, and I'm sure you know what we're going to do. Yes, here's all the fish in the deep blue sea. So let's have a look. Today is a special Monday because if we look at the calendar that we looked at last week, today is Monday, for Monday, and for Sunday was yesterday, which was the 31st of January. So that was the first month of 2021 and it finished yesterday. So today is Monday, the 1st of February 2021. And the reason why it has two hearts and it's the color red is because Valentine's Day happens in February, the 14th of February, which is a Sunday, and it's known as the month of love. So now February is an interesting month because sometimes it ends on 28 days and sometimes it ends on 29 days. Now this year, it ends on 28 days, and it does that. It will do that next year and the next year, and then every 4 years it has 29 days. So last year, 2020, it had 29 days, and that is what we call a leap year. So it's very unlucky. Well, it's special or unlucky, depends on which way you look at it. If you are born in a leap year, so if you were born last year, 2020, February the 29th, then what would happen this year? There's no 29th of February. So it would be lucky in that you wouldn't get as old as the rest of us, really, because you wouldn't have a day to celebrate your birthday. But it would also be unlucky because you wouldn't have so many birthdays to celebrate. So it just depends on how you look at it. But I'm sure people who are born on that day either celebrate on the 28th or on the next month on the 1st. So that's just a little bit about February, and it's the second month of the year, and we're starting it today on the 1st. So let's quickly have a look at our numbers that we've done. Let's read them together. Our number names: 1, 3, 2, and 4. Right, can you quickly get your cokies ready, please? And let's write the numbers correctly on our whiteboard. So I've got mine ready, and here we go. Remember the rhymes? So let's start with this one. Can you write this number on your whiteboard? Correct. It's number 4. And let's see number 4. Down and over. Down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Right. This one. Right, number 2. Remember, we make half a heart, and we don't do any swan's bellies. So, around and back on the railroad track. Toot, 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 toot. Right. What's that one? Number 1. Now remember, it's not straight, it's a little bit skew. Number 1 is like a stick, a little skew line that is very quick. Okay, so you start at the top and you come down quick, a little bit skew, so it doesn't stand up straight like a soldier, and it's not too skew that it's falling down. Okay, and the last one, let's have a look, number 3. Remember about hugging those precious trees? Okay, around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. So you've got your 2 arms around hugging a tree, and then the next 2 arms hugging another tree. Okay, great big tree hug. So there we go. 4, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so you can clean your board. And let's have a look at a couple more. Number 5. 5. I'm going to leave it here. Number 6. 6 you can sound out if you know those letters. S-I-X. 6. And move that up a little bit. Number 7. Right, so those are what we're going to add this week. 5, 6, and 7. Right. Now let's have a look at our number chart. I hope you've put your lid on your Koki and that you heard it snap or click. Right, so let's have a look at the number chart quickly, and you can count with me as I point on the numbers. Let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Let's count from 18 to 13, going backwards. Because 18 is bigger than 13, so we're going backwards. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Right, let's count from 3 to 11. That's going bigger, so we're going forwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, and let's go from 14 to 20. So we're going bigger. Let's go. As I touch it, you count. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, and now let's have a look at what we did last week. We'll just do a few. Can you tell me what number comes before 15? Yes, we say it before, so we say it first, and then we say 15. So the answer was 14. What number comes after 6? Yes, number 7. And what number comes between 16 and 18? What number comes in the middle? 17. Well done. Okay, so now let's have a look. at some colors. Right, and I would like you to please take your crayons, and then when I say the color, you're going to pull that crayon out, and then I'm going to put it on the board. So let's see if you can be quicker than I can. So the first one I'd like you to take out of your crayons is red. So that's the red crayon. Oh, and mine's going to roll. I'll wait till it stops. Okay. The next one is yellow. The next one is brown. And the next one you can choose, because you should have two greens, so you can choose a dark green or a light green. And in pictures you can choose light or dark, it doesn't matter. Right, so there's a light green and a dark green. And then the same for blue. You can have a light blue or a dark blue, but you can take them both out of your crayon pencil bag. Right, so we've got red, yellow, brown, green and blue. Let's go again. Red, yellow, brown, green and blue. So now let's have a look on page 15. Of our Brown Simply Maths book. We're going to look at page 15, and we're going to just colour the colours in to help you with the code like we did with our lion. So the first one says colour 3 dots red. So I'm just going to colour over red to help me. Right, then it says colour 1 dot brown. So I'm just going to colour there. Right, then colour 5 dots. What colour is that? Yellow. I wonder if you saw me take the yellow or if you just knew that. I hope you just knew that. So yellow. Remember to colour one direction. Right? And then I'm going to choose dark blue, colour 2 dots blue. You can choose light blue if you like. And colour 4 dots green. I'm also going to do it dark green. Right, so all you're going to do today is that. So you're going to take your crayons, the video is going to end now, and you're going to just do this side of the page. We'll carry on with this side and this side another day this week. Right, boys and girls, you can get started on that.